Good afternoon, dear students. Today we are going to study a new chapter, data handling. I have already sent you the written notes for this chapter and I am going to explain you about this. We all know that data play an important role. We collect information and these all informations are collected in the form of data. These data are useless until they are not organized properly, and their representation is also equally important. Their representation is also equally important means when the data is arranged in such a way that it gives a clear picture of the information, then the person who is viewing the information will get definitely attracted and he will come to know the summary of the representation. It must look attractive. So there are different ways of representing the data. Just like we can represent a data in the form of tabular representation, then in the form of bar graph, and also in the form of pictograph, and there are many more, pie chart and so on. Here we are going to study about pictograph. So let's start with the first question of exercise 12.1. A company manufactures good quality washing machines. The table shows production in the first 6 months. Make a tally chart and prepare a pictograph according to the data collected. Remember to give a title and scale for the pictograph. So here the months are given and the number of machines in each month is also given. So in the month of January, 20 machines are manufactured. In February 25, March 15, April 40, May 35 and June 25. So let's start the answer with representing this information in the tally chart form. So let's have here pictograph and tally chart is here. So tally chart is here. We will write production of washing machines. This is the title and answer number 1 tally chart. So month January, February, March, April, May, June, these are given, and in the month of January 20, so we have written it, okay. And in the month of January, so see, I have drawn the lines 1 2 3 4 5, then 1 2 3 4 5, then 1 2 3 4 5, and 1 2 3 4 5. So these drawn lines are here and we are representing the whole information in tally chart form. In the month of February 25, in the month of March 15, in the month of April 40, in the month of May 35, and in the month of June it is 25. So see, I have drawn 4 straight lines and 1 slanting line, that means 5. So 5, then 5, then 5, then 5. This way you will represent the data in tally chart form. Now we are coming to the next session, that means the second part of the answer, that is representing the data in pictograph form. So the title is same, production of washing machines, and pictograph scale, this is a symbol. I have made a symbol. Each symbol is equal to 5 washing machines. So on the left side of the table I have written month, and on the right side of the table I have written number of washing machines. So in the month of January there are 20 machines produced. So I have made 4 symbols, means each symbol represents 5 machines. So 5 4s are 20. In the month of February 25, so 5 5s are 25. In the month of March 15, so 5 3s are 15. So I have made 3 symbols. Then in the month of April there are 8 symbols, 1 2 3 4 5, 6, 7, 8. That means these all 8 symbols represent 40 washing machines. And in the same way in the month of May and June. Now let's come to the next question, that is from exercise 12.2. Here the bar graph is given, and after looking at the bar graph we have to give the answer of the questions which are given at the back, or which is given down. Okay, children of Friends Club made friendship bands for their classmates. Read the bar graph and answer the questions. So we can see the bar graph. In the vertical column it is written number of bands, and in horizontal column it is written name of members: Riya, Sonia, Preet, Shlok, Arya, Ayush. Okay, so all these things are there. Okay, now how many bands did Shlok make? How many bands did Shlok make? So we will see, we can see that Shlok is having 20 bands, because it is just equal to 20, so 20 bands, so the answer is 20. Who made maximum bands? So Preet made maximum bands, and the number is 25. Then afterwards we are having name 2 members who made same number of bands. So Sonia and Arya, they made only 5 bands. Who made 10 bands? So you see Ayush made 10 bands. And who made 15 bands? So Riya made 15 bands. So you please revise all these answers at home and prepare for unit test 4. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.